Hey everybody, Tim here with TMB Homestead. Just a quick video. It's our 1 week update on our quail. So I'm going to put you guys in with the quail. You'll be able to see what quail look like after being alive for 7 days. With that, real quick, we lost 2. So we started off with 13 eggs. 2 were not fertile, so that was down. The 11 that were fertile, all of them hatched. So 85% hatch rate or 100% hatch rate, depending upon how you want to look at it. And then from there, we've had 2 die. One of them had splayed legs, and I tried to get them straight by doing things that I've watched online, and honestly, nothing was happening. And it was just, he was a tiny guy. It was a tiny guy or thing, male, female, whatever. So it ended up passing away, and then had one more. It just died. I don't know what happened to it. I got up one morning and it was frozen. So with that, we're down to 9. So we started with 11. Now we've got 9. I'm gonna put you guys inside here for just a couple of seconds so you can see what 1 week old. Oh, they're all back there hiding. I'm gonna get out the way. The temperature in the brooder, I had it at 100 degrees. Today I've turned it down to 95 degrees, I believe is what it's saying in there. So hopefully they'll come out so you can see how big they've gotten compared to the last time when they were first in there. They're growing like crazy. And the blue paper towels, I'm having to change every day, so I change them every morning. Food and water. They're getting fresh food and water every day. Still a couple more down there. See, I moved away from the cage and they all come out. I'm very happy. I have been able to I don't want to make this a very long video. I just want you to see that they're going good after a week. And I'm very happy with what I've got. Hey, do me a favor, like and subscribe. These guys are getting ready to go on a long journey because I'm going to have to move them up to the actual homestead. I am leaving here on Monday, May the 11th, to go up and watch the final stages of the cabin. It's done. They're doing the floors. I think we're having a refrigerator swapped out on Tuesday, and then because it was damaged when we received it, and then I'm trying to think of the dates, just what's going on off the top of my head real quick. But anyway, I think I'll just do another video on that when I've got stuff in front of me. I just wanted you guys to see the quail, and what you're seeing are 1 week old babies. Pretty exciting to be able to do this and see how they're changing, going from little fluff balls. You can see so much change in these guys, and they eat and eat and eat. Alrighty, thank you guys for stopping by. Please do me a favor and like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and helps me a tremendous amount. I've been doing this video now for 5 years and I've got 100 subscribers. So I can, if you don't like this content, then that's fine. Just don't subscribe. But if you do, please subscribe. Thank you guys. God bless, and I'll talk to y'all later.